Hey, what's up, Reef Finance holders? So this is the urgent update of Reef Finance coin, my brother. After a very long time, a Reef is starting moving upwards. So therefore, I'm so happy, my friend. This time you can see the change occur. The latest update is absolutely on the screen, my friends. Very short change occur, but this is absolutely going to be very good, my friends, because this is positive. Especially from last 7 days, all capital market is very badly dumps down, and therefore refinance is also fails down. So therefore, I'm so sad. You can see after a short time they also fails down again now, but don't see this short fail. I hope, my friend, in upcoming times they will take a very good jump. Let's predicate this coin, but kindly subscribe this channel. Let's predicate this coin, my brother, to what's going on and what they can do, my brother. So if you could see, my friend, the last 3 days chart is also going to be negative, but if you could see, my friend, this time the chart is minus 10.34% fails down. But let's see, if you could see, my friend, after a short fail they also take a very huge jump. So it's mean to upcoming time there is more chances, my friends, to be moving upward, because this time you can see the current condition is going to be also very good. So I hope, my friends, in upcoming times they will give you a very good profit. Please like this video and also subscribe for more this type informative videos. And absolutely, my friends, if you like this video, then exactly I'm so happy. Thanks for watching. Please like video.